Hello guys, once again welcome you all in this particular video. My name is Surya sir and today we'll discuss about why to choose law as a career. So guys, लॉ चूज करना कितने हद तक सही हो सकता है और या फिर ये भी हो सकता है कि लॉ एज अ करियर पाथ चूज करना गलत हो सकता है. सो इफ यू आर इन कंफ्यूजन स्टेट, लॉ चूज करे या नहीं करे, वी शुड परस्यू लीगल स्टडीज और नॉट, देन गाइस you should watch this particular video because यहाँ आपको काफी सारी informations मिलेंगी and whenever we talk about some of the information, either ये 100% correct है or incorrect, who will give us exact answer and that is nothing but this stats. So stats क्या कहते हैं? You should choose law as a career or not? Then guys, watch this video till the end. And before moving further, we have launched the batches for all law entrance exams such as MH Law CT 3 years and 5 years, CLAT, ULLB, BH Law, SLAT, ILAT, LSAT, and various other entrance exams are there. So you can prepare live with us. So guys, get the live interaction, books at your doorstep, shortcut tricks, recorded videos, doubt class, topic test, mock test, WhatsApp group, 10,000 plus question series, lot of data for the practice purpose and the mentorship by the experts. So you can book your seat by calling on 8828581455 and you can also visit our website manualdo.com/law entrance. And now let's move to the main slide. Why law? Okay guys, so if you are preparing for law 3 years, 5 years, do LLB, any other entrance exams, because if you want to make your career in the field of law, then guys you should be aware about all the stats, because stats will give us the 100% information, the correct information. So according to stats, according to Bar Council of India, there are now about 20 lakh lawyers in India. So क्या लगता है गाइस, 20 लाख लॉयर्स इन इंडिया ऑलरेडी है, तो कहीं अपॉर्चुनिटीज है, स्कोप है, करियर ग्रोथ है या नहीं? इफ वी टॉक अबाउट ऑल द स्टैट्स ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन एंड द नंबर ऑफ केसेस इन इंडिया, देन गाइस आपको बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलेगी, बिकॉज आफ्टर लॉ डिग्री, लीगल स्टडीज, guys, you will get various opportunities in the corporate world where you will find various doors of the opportunities. Legal advisor, now ये काफी जरूरी है with respect to the current scenario. Legal advisor, each organization need the legal advisor and the consultant, and the most important one if we talk about the number of cases in India. अब यहाँ चाहे 20 लाख lawyers हो या फिर judges हो, and guys demand तो बढ़ने ही वाली है, because as the number of cases will rise in the India, there will be more opportunities in this particular field. So where you can make your career, you can become advocate, government services, you can find various jobs as a legal advisor, judiciary now as advocates and the magistrate, teaching now you can be as a professor in the top colleges or in the law colleges, in the private companies. As I said, there is a huge demand of the legal consultants even in the small enterprises or in the big organizations. You can play job role as a writer of a book or journal, or you can be as a journalist, legal analyst, legal researcher, politics. Now if you have keen interest in the governance part, then guys you can make your career in the politics and also the higher education. Okay guys, so these all are the respective fields. Now if we talk about the placement packages, then I already made this several videos. You will find each and every detail about the law entrance exams on our YouTube channel. So guys, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because आपको बहुत सारे अपडेट मिलते रहेंगे with respect to the law entrances. Okay, now if we talk about the number of cases, then guys guess what is the number? Watch this clip.
3 करोड़ से ज्यादा केसेस पेंडिंग है इस देश के अंदर, और कुल मिलाकर जज कितने? 21,000। यानी देखा जाए तो 1 लाख लोगों पर एक जज। डेट में डेट पड़ती रहती है, हाँ जी, लोग आते रहते हैं, हताश होकर घर जाते रहते हैं, लेकिन फिर भी आज भी लोग भरोसा करते हैं न्यायपालिका पे। उनको भरोसा होता है कि अगर सरकार उनकी बात नहीं सुनेगी, प्रशासन उनकी बात नहीं सुनेगा, पुलिस उनकी बात नहीं सुनेगी, तो कोर्ट सुनेगी उनकी बात। इस कुर्सी पे बैठा मेरे जैसा हर आदमी, उसका यह कर्तव्य बनता है कि वो इस भरोसे को ना टूटने दे।
राइट, और यही भरोसा हमें नहीं तोड़ना है गाइस। इवन यू you should prepare in such a way जहां आपको टॉप कॉलेजेस मिल सके. You should get the best placement because you should have that ability. Okay guys, so whatever entrance exams, कोई भी entrance exam के लिए प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो guys, then make sure आपके दिमाग में कुछ चीजें फिक्स होनी चाहिए. Yes, these all are the number of cases. जैसे कि हमारे जज साहब ने अभी बताया 3 crore cases are there in India. नहीं guys, अब वो बढ़ चुके हैं. There are 3,93,30,868 cases are there in India. Okay, and look at the number of years. कुछ cases 1 से 3 साल से चले आ रहे हैं. These all are the numbers. कुछ चल रहे हैं from 3 to 5 years, 5 to 10 years, 10 to 20 years, 20 to 30 years and above 30 years. कुछ cases ऐसे भी है जो अभी तक solve नहीं हो चुके हैं. And the number is 37,436, 64,605 with respect to the criminal cases. So overall 1,02,041 cases, जो कि overall percent का 0.26 cover करता है guys. So as the number of cases are increasing, okay, now if you talk about the number of judges, कितने हैं guys? आपने clip देख ही लिए, but again these all are the figures. The number of judges in India from 2016 to 20. So 2016 में ये था 1.32, 2017 1.33, 1.37 in 2018, 2019 में ये था 1.38 and 2020 1.47 only. That means per 1 lakh कितने जजेस है गाइस? 1.47. For 3 lakh cases only 2 judges are there. So guys you can imagine, okay, कितना करियर स्कोप है आज भी, कितना कंपटीशन टफ है. Why? क्यों इस फील्ड के लिए आप नहीं जाना चाहते हो? Because if you have that ability guys, very first one, if you want to choose the law as your career path, then guys do the SWOT analysis. What exactly it means? It means analyze your overall strength, your weakness, opportunities and the threats. Guys, if you will do the SWOT analysis, then only choose law as your career path. So these all are the stats guys. 20 lakhs advocates are there. Okay, 1.47 judge for per lakh cases. And as we saw, the number of cases, soon it will reach at the 4 crore mark. So guys, again I'm saying, अगर आपको वो भरोसा नहीं तोड़ने देना है, and if you want to make your career in the field of law, then आपको टारगेट करने होंगे only the top colleges such as NLU Bangalore, NLU Delhi, GLC Mumbai, ILS, Rizvi Law College, NMIMS, Jindal College, Nalsar, NLU Jodhpur, Symbiosis, SLS Nagpur, SLS Delhi and various other colleges are there. If you want a detailed info about all these colleges, then already make the videos guys, watch that particular video on our YouTube channel. And now, as I said, you should target the top colleges, and for that you have to prepare for the top law entrances. Okay guys, so we'll provide the link in the description, kindly check the link. So if you want a preparation for all those law entrance exams guys, you can call on 82851455 or you can also call on all these respective numbers, or you can visit our website manvoedu.com. For all exam updates and the notifications, you can follow our social media handles such as YouTube, Facebook, Insta, and you can also join our Telegram group. So that's it guys, all the best for your preparation. See you in the next video.